Hey everyone, welcome back. If Scotiabank Mobile Check does not deposit, here's how to fix it. Follow these steps. First, make sure the app has camera access enabled in your phone settings. Next, check that the check is placed on a flat surface with good lighting and no shadows. Make sure all four corners of the check is visible in the camera lens. Also, for avoiding blurry pictures, try cleaning your back camera lenses with piece of cloth or tissues and not with any hard substance so you won't scratch your camera and make the matters worse. Now, if the app shows an error, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Scotiabank app, swipe it away, then reopen it. If the issue continues, long press on the Scotiabank app and then remove app, then delete app. After deleting your app, go to the App Store and search your Scotiabank and then reinstall the app to reset the deposit feature. This should allow mobile deposit to work properly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick